Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and if you have that picture in your mind of Boston Whaler, the classic Boston Whaler, I'm standing on it. From the tan gel coat on this particular 2020-17 Montauk to the red decals, the 90 horsepower Mercury on the back, this is the throwback classic 17 Montauk. But of course, Boston Whaler couldn't leave it well enough alone, and it has a whole bunch of features and changes that make this boat really, really special. One of those, Whaler gives you the option to put a bench in the rear of these boats. Convertible down to a lounge you can lay on, or forward gives you a bench, massive storage underneath. Very, very cool option. Just makes it more comfortable as a family boat. We have that on this boat. In addition to that, teak package. To go with that classic theme, there's teak, what they call steps on both sides, as well as on the swim step in the rear. Of course, it wouldn't be a Whaler without any of the functionality. So this particular boat is equipped with the live well, blue coated, that comes as a part of the fish package. It gives you additional rod holders and just several things that make this a very nice treat to run. New for 2018, these boats picked up hydraulic steering as standard from the factory, something you don't often find on a 17-foot boat. So it comes right with both the 90 and the 115, a factory C-Star hydraulic steering. We'll do electronics on the dash based on your preference. So whether you're a Lowrance person, a Simrad, or any of the other large name manufacturers, if you have a preference, we'll accommodate it. This boat also has the optional sun top, Bimini as we well know, and one thing further forward, this has a factory installed trolling motor panel. That, because of the foam construction of a Whaler, that can be a lengthy install after the fact. When they do it from the factory, from the battery box to the wiring and the plug, it's all set and under warranty by Whaler. Of course, with the redesign of this hull, fish box, followed by your forward anchor locker, a great redesign on what was originally just a single hatch here. Just gives you more versatility, more to do with the front of this boat. If I can answer some more questions for you, or we can do anything for you here in Sarasota, we'd love to talk to you. I'm Jeremiah. This is our 2020-17 Montauk at MarineMax Sarasota. Talk to you soon.